Welcome back to AutoCAD Mission 99. Today in lecture 7, we start the core of our drafting, line versus polyline. Let's jump into the screen. Line command. Type L and press enter. Let's draw a simple 70 feet by 60 feet float boundary. Pick a point and go right 70 feet. Press enter. Then go up 60 feet. Press enter. Go left side and type 70 feet. Press enter. And go down. Type C for close and press enter. We will check the dimensions. For that, I will go for dimensions. I select the linear dimensions. From here, this is 70 feet. Press spacebar to repeat the command. 60 feet, 70 feet, 60 feet. Now look closely. If I click one wall, only one line is selected. They are individual segments. This is good for small details, but it's not smart for a full house plan. Now the polyline command. I will type PL for polyline and press enter. Pick a point and let's draw the same 70 feet by 60 feet float. So I will go right side for 70 feet and press enter. Again I will go up 60 feet and press enter. I'll go right side and type 70 feet, press enter, and I'll go down and type C for close and press enter. I'll check the dimensions DLI for linear dimensions. Press spacebar to repeat the command again. And again press the spacebar to repeat the command. Now click any wall. I will click here. See, the enter boundary is selected. In my office, we always use polyline for outer walls or boundary walls. Why? Because if I need to offset 9 inch for wall thickness, I only click once. For example, I will select this one and type O for offset. Specify offset distance. I will go for 9 inch. See, I'll check the distance 9 inch. But if I used a line, I would have to click 4 times. Have to click 4 times on line and then join them. J for joint to make the polyline. Then after only I can offset 9 inch. Or for offset distance 9 inch, enter. See, a line can become a polyline using the joint that I already explained. Also, a polyline can be a line using explode. X for explode. Suppose if I want to make this polyline to line, I will type X for explode. See, this is now line. Again, I want to make this polyline to line. I will go for explode. X for explode. Now it's a line. Okay. Now it's line. Now it's line. I can delete individually. I'll select. I'll do again explode. Now it's line. It's a polyline. Now we will calculate the area for polyline. For that I will type LI for list and press enter. Select the polyline and press enter. See, the total area is 4200 square feet because 70 multiplied 60 equal to 4200 square feet. the total area, and the parameter is 260 because 60 plus 60 120 and 70 plus 70 140 equal to 260. Now if you do this with a line, you have to select manually. For that I will go for Li for list and select manually each 4 walls and then press enter. Select object 1 found and 4 total. This is complicated, so better for area calculations always we'll make the polyline. Okay, so this is our boundary plot, 70 feet by 60 feet. I will draw our building area 50 feet by 40 feet. For that I will type L for line, pick a point, go 50 feet on the right side, go up for 40 feet and go right side for 20 feet, go down for 10 feet, again go left side for 30 feet and close it. So check the dimensions, go for dimensions and select the linear dimensions 40 feet. Press spacebar to repeat the command. This is our building area. This is boundary and this is our building area. We can joint this using the join command. J for joint. We can draw it by polyline also. PL for polyline. Select a point, go 50 feet on the right side and go upper 40 feet. Go left for 20 feet. Go down for 10 feet and go left again for 30 feet. And C for close. Type C and press enter and close it. See, this is the polyline. No need to join. So DLI for linear dimensions. Press spacebar to repeat the command. This is our building area. This is one for a flat boundary. To summarize, use line for separate parts, but use polyline for boundaries, walls, and 3D paths. For your homework, draw an L-shaped room using both line and polyline. Try to offset both by 9 inches and see which one is faster. In lecture 8, we move to circles and all their methods. I am engineer Ashok Das Pinku. Subscribe to Green Building Engineers and Architects. Om Shanti.